Okay, you boys are just playing, right?
Yeah, working.
Yeah, you're working. Yeah, well, I've got four boxes in the front of the house I need you to bring into the trailer for me.
Okay.
We'll get them.
All right. You sure you need our help to do that?
I need it.
Okay. We'll be right there.
We'll come find you.
We'll be right there. Go away.
Yes, I'm sure you will. Well, Bonnie and I have been coordinating our meals, and I'm like, hey, Bonnie, I'll take care of the meals this week. Don't you worry about this week. Planning the meals for our RV trip has never been easier. I love that Green Chef comes pre-measured, perfectly portioned, and mostly prepared. Green Chef gives you the flexibility to switch options whenever you're ready to try something new. I want to thank Green Chef for sponsoring today's video. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on. Well, that is the easiest RV packing I've ever done. So I'm filming you right now, Bonnie. I gotta show you something.
Okay.
Look, can you see in here?
Oh my word.
I've got us covered for the first week, Bonnie.
Oh my gosh, Mom, that is so great.
All the meat's down there. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's clean.
Yeah, that was the easiest RV trip shopping I've ever done.
I love it.
Love ya.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We're all loaded up. We are waiting for Bonnie and Joel to arrive. We are going to follow each other to Florida for a wonderful vacation. Are we ready to party?
You guys are. I'm like, oh, they're in their seats. They're rolling down the street. I'm like, Joel, let's go.
Got a radio check?
Radio check.
Level 5.
Is this in place of your shower?
Well, that too. You don't invest in skincare if you don't wear your sunblock, folks.
Well, I think Cody was here.
Guess we'll never know.
We're all getting a little hangry right now. On the road again, but the roads in New Mexico are horrible.
Well,
At least this road is.
they're rough. I think we've been traveling too long without a break.
Honey mustard pork chop with lemon rice.
Good. What does that say?
Green Chef.
Chef.
Green Chef is a CCOF certified organic company with options for every lifestyle. Keto plus paleo, vegan, gluten-free, vegetarian, fast and fit, and Mediterranean. CCOF stands for California Certified Organic Farmers, and CCOF certified producers grow, process, and sell organic foods. Green Chef is the #1 meal kit for eating well with dinner options that work for your lifestyle, not the other way around.
Nice. You got a little portable grill, and it just makes cooking so much easier. Not in your RV.
So good.
And it smells so good.
And it's warm.
Use my code Griffiths130 to get $130 off plus free shipping on your first box. Go to greenchef.com for more details. Use my code Griffiths130 to get $130 off plus free shipping on your first box. Go to greenchef.com for more details.
Green Chef is owned by HelloFresh and we love them both. Do you kids like it?
Yeah.
Good, good. I like it too.
B-roll, isn't it? It's just
I
cute.
think that makes good videos. Can you go across that way?
No, he could do it, but I'm not showing him. Oh, no, dude, look at it.
Okay.
At least you can't go backwards. So you have to go somewhere. You have to.
Hey, what are you guys gonna remember about New Mexico?
There's a lot of hot air balloons.
That's what I was gonna say too. We will remember New Mexico for the hot air balloons. Are they gonna walk back?
Okay, I'm tired.
I think one of the favorite parts about the trip is just pulling off the side of the road and letting the kids play and stretch their legs for a few minutes. This place is gorgeous. We're somewhere in Texas. I think I could live in Texas.
Dad, Lincoln's not listening. What? Nothing.
Chad, I think you would fit in Texas.
I would love to have grown up
Yeah.
in Texas.
Yeah, it's not too late. We're still growing up.
No, I did horse riding and working and just working with
Yeah.
animals. That would have been fun.
We have been traveling all day, actually for a couple days now, 2 or 3 days, and Bonnie and Joel and the kids went to visit Joel's brother, and so Chad and I are spending a cozy little night indoors by ourselves, and we're watching Acorn TV.
Acorn TV.
Was it?
Murdoch Mysteries.
Okay, Murdoch Mysteries tonight, and just gonna
Just
relax.
I'm probably gonna fall asleep, and then I'm gonna just let that evolve into a nap and just enjoy a nice quiet evening.
Doesn't that sound like fun?
And just enjoy our nice little Valentine's Day.
I love falling asleep watching TV.
Yeah.
But in case I don't talk to you again on this video, thank you for watching. And if you want to watch the rest of our vlogs of our trip, subscribe.
Stay tuned.
Give us a thumbs up. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.